Okay, now let's talk about other operations on array. In a previous video, we were discussing accessing elements at particular indexes, but we can also update array on a particular index. So let's see an example. So I want to change the first element. Let's try to print our array. And yes, we can see that I have just changed the first element. Now it's 25. We can also insert a new element at particular index. Right? Insert. Okay, let's try to print array. And yes, we can see that at second index I have just put a new element, and the other elements were shifted to the end. Delation. Deleting an element from specific position requires shifting elements, and it's similar operation to insertion. Array pop 2. Okay, let's print our array. And yes, we can see that right now we don't have the second element we have created in a previous step, so we don't have 35. We can also try to find a particular element in array. Search operation. Array. Index 30. Print. Okay, and index function will return the position of the element which is equal to 30. Let's try to run our code. And yes, we can see that it's the second element. But let's see what happened when we put a value that does not exist in array. So let's try to put 300 and rerun our Python code. And we can see value error. 300 is not in list. On array, we can also perform traversal. Traversing means going through each element of the array once. So let's see an example. For lm in array, I will print each element. Let's try to run syntax error. Let's try to run our Python code. And yes, we can see that by using for loop, I have just put in the output all elements. Arrays or lists in Python are fundamental data structures that you will find yourself using on a regular basis. They are excellent when you want to store and access elements, but if you find yourself frequently inserting and deleting elements, you might want to consider a different data structure, like a linked list, which can perform this operation more efficiently. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of arrays is an important step in becoming a proficient programmer.